Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with your boy Smokepot again, and today we'll be doing something very simple and very delicious. And we'll be doing a minced chicken meat with some mixed vegetable. So to begin this process, I have some oil in my pot, some olive oil to my pot. And guys, as we do that, remember at the end of the video, please subscribe, share and like at the end of the video. Okay, so after putting in some olive oil in my pot, I go straight into my ground seasoning that I'll be using. And today I'll be using onions, scallions. Pour those in. We also be using some red bell peppers. Using some red bell peppers. Use half of these. I also have some thyme, some garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper. Add those there. And then we just saute that around a little. Okay, what we want to do to get that slightly tender, then we're gonna add some seasoning to that mix right there. So we're gonna add a little chicken seasoning. Now we're gonna be adding a little chicken seasoning. A little all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna be adding a little pimento seed, or the all-purpose, allspice. It's grounded. We add that. Stir a little. We add a little black pepper. Small little taste of the sauce. It's bland, so let me add just a pinch of sea salt. Now I'll be adding my minced chicken meat. So I have here my minced chicken meat that I'll be adding to my sauteed seasoning. Now I'll be doing a little pasta to go with it. I'm not a pasta sauce guy, so I will not be making any pasta sauce, but I'll just be doing it with the pasta with the minced chicken meat. But for those who like pasta sauce, you can always top it up with the pasta sauce. So you slowly start to break this up. Put it into one. Let all that delicious seasoning, you know, cuts right through the mince. Okay, we're gonna leave this to sit for a few minutes, and then we get back to that. I'll now start with my pasta that I'll be doing. So I just turn the stove off. I'll have that water be boiling, where I'll be adding some salt and some butter to it, and we'll see you in a few. Now, let's check up. As I told you guys, I'm doing minced meat with mixed vegetable. So this is now almost finished. So here I have my mixed vegetable. We got carrots, sweet corn. We have some string beans. All right, so I'll add that to my already beautiful dish right here. And give this a few stir. And as beautiful as that looks, the aroma is just as beautiful. The aroma is just out of this world. And the taste is also extremely delicious. So we leave that for 5 more minutes, and then that's done. So in 5 more minutes, you take back one last taste, and then that's done. Okay, so now let me once more for the last time check my pot. Okay, this is perfect. So let me turn this off. Okay, that looks so beautiful. Smell great. Number one, excellent, very delicious. So as soon as I finish making some pasta, I'll be taking a little out so I can let you enjoy with me. So now I made some pasta, and I've served some with my chicken with mixed vegetables, and I'm about to do a taste test. So it's minced chicken with mixed vegetable and some pasta. I'm not a pasta sauce guy, as I said before, so that's why my plate is without the pasta sauce. If you like that, you add it. I think I need to sit down. It's so good, I think I need to sit down. Guys, this meal is extremely delicious. I know you might be saying I cooked it, but one of these days you'll get to try my food. It's dynamite, delicious, super delicious. Remember, if you like my video, it's Smokepot and Balance. Remember to subscribe, share, like, also leave a comment. Remember, it's very, very important. And at the end of the day, I will continue to smoke all these pots for you guys, and you just stay balanced and stay very positive and be safe. Peace out.